how to view autofill forms on Samsung internet browser. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to view autofill forms on Samsung internet browser. First, then open the browser and now click these three lines here in the bottom corner and then click settings, and here you will find this one, personal browsing data. Click on it and then just click this one here, autofill forms. Click on it and you will find profiles. Click on it and here you can view it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.